Hi all, this is Y-Man again. I have this Turkish-made 12 gauge semi-auto shotgun which I've had for some time now. It's called the EFE Magnum. Not of very high quality, but it works. It came originally, as you see it here, pistol grip only. Many of those who have watched a lot of my videos or read some of my stuff on the Firearm blog will know that I can practically not stand pistol grip only shotguns. So I improvised and fabricated as well as I could, and I've been able to fix the stock and install better sights, as you can see here. I'm shooting now. I have been shooting it mainly with slugs and double-aught buckshot. It's worked well. Well, at one point it stopped working well. I would notice a spray of smoke from the gas hole point, and also black plastic powder would come out of it when I shoot. Then all of a sudden, at one point, it stopped working well. It was no longer returning or recocking for the next shot as a semi-auto should do. I stripped the action completely, stripped the shotgun completely, and discovered that a component had completely disintegrated into pieces inside the action. This is what came out of the shotgun. The black plastic component had completely disintegrated into this black powder you see here, powder and pieces that you see here. It was really quite disheartening too. Initially, I really did not know what could have gone wrong and what this part even looked like. But I got searching and discovered that what had broken is the piston buffer, which basically looks like what you will see in the next few clips.
I'm keeping an eye on, and that's this little piece right here. It's a little plastic bushing that I guess it transfers the force, like a buffer maybe. It transfers the force to this bolt carrier. But I can see it's already starting to mushroom on both ends, and there's a
Now, there's no way of getting a replacement here, so I need to find a way to fabricate or improvise my replacement part, safely, of course. In order to do this, I need to know the dimensions of the part that was there. And that's why I'm making this appeal now. If you are in Turkey or you have a Turkish shotgun that looks like mine, please help me out. If it's not too much to ask, please, you could disassemble your shotgun, that if you know how to, and help me take the measurements of that particular part. What are the dimensions? What is the inner diameter? What is the outer diameter? What is the length of the item completely? Please take some measurements and post your findings here for me in the comments, and I would really be very appreciative. I would appreciate that very, very much. So this is Y-Man, hoping that you guys could help a brother out with these dimensions so that I can do some more magic and get my shotgun working again.